Okay, this is the BST Mbit app that I'm using on a mobile device. In this case, it's an Android. This also works with iOS, Apple phones and tablets. This color screen, I'll show you where to get it. It has a lot of imagery that is already incorporated into the memory. Lots of different pictures. We can add our own pictures. There is a port for connecting computers and downloading pictures and GIFs and animation. This has animation stored on it. We're showing that this now works with the Kittenbot robot bit motor driver. We showed in previous videos that it works with the Yaboom Superbit, and notice that we said that in previous videos, the Superbit extension in MakeCode for the microbit for this board does not work consistently with the Mbit app. So we had to use the Omni, O-M-N-I bit extension encoding for the Superbit. Now, of course, we're not using either of those for the robot bit. We're using the robot bit extension, and I'll show you that right here. In the code, I'll put a link to this video in the code, in the description of this video. You can click on it, and this whole environment will download with the proper extensions, ColorScreen extension, and the robot bit extension. Once again, touching an icon on the Mbit app on a cell phone, in this case Android, changes the image on the color screen and activates the motors or stops the motors. Now, where do you get these products? Here is the Kittenbot robot bit, $20. I'm showing it. Here is the color screen by DFRobot, $15 is what I'm showing. It has this I2C connection right here, 4 wires, and the robot bit also has I2C. So there will be more about all this. We've got both Android and Apple phones, mobile devices, working to send signals by Bluetooth to the robot bit and also to the Yaboom Superbit to control motors and this new color screen by DFRobot. There will be more.